Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Pinay Mom's Blogs, where we share about the things we do and the places we see here in Amsterdam and beyond. And on this video of our mouth-watering March episodes, because we love mug cakes, right Liam? It's very easy to make, especially if you're packaged for a snack or dessert. Here's 4 easy recipes that I'm sure you would love to try. So let's get started.
Let's begin with a Nutella mug cake. You'll need 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, and try to mix all the dry ingredients together first. And then let's add in 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Try to mix them well. And last of the ingredients, 2 tablespoons Nutella. Set your microwave on high and let it run for 70 to 90 seconds. Next up, a delicious strawberry mug cake. Starting with 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, half a teaspoon baking powder, and once again, mix the dry ingredients. And now the liquid ingredients with 3 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now add in 2 tablespoons of strawberries. At this point we only have the frozen ones, so that's fine, but obviously you can also use fresh ones. And then set it on the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Next, one of my son's favorite, vanilla FUNFETTI mug cake. We use 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, then add 2 tablespoons sugar, a pinch of salt, and half a teaspoon baking powder. Mixing all the dry ingredients together. Now add in 1/4 cup milk, or coconut milk or almond milk for flavoring, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sprinkles and mix it well. And then set your microwave at 80% power and let it run for 90 seconds. And last on our list, and also my favorite, peanut butter and banana mug cake. We start by using half a banana and you mash them. Add in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. I used a spoon to try to mix this well, but on second thought, a fork might have been much better. But you can use any tool you've got so long as it's mixed good. Then add 4½ tablespoon flour, continue on with a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Yeah, definitely a fork might have been much better. Microwave on high for 45 to 60 seconds. And you're all set with all 4 mug cakes. And now it's time to decorate. Normally I would do it myself, but from time to time I let the boys do it. It's always nice to do things together as a family. And eat together too. Silly Billy. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you'd like to see more episodes of Pinay Mom's blogs, click on any of the links up ahead, or you can subscribe to our channel to see new episodes every week. Bye for now. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.